Chapter 12. Kathakali, the classical dance of Kerala. There are various dance forms in every state of India. People from all over the world come to enjoy these dance forms. Let us read this story to know what information a group of young tourists gather from a Kathakali performer on their visit to Kerala. First tourist. What a lively classical performance. I'm so glad my friend told me not to miss the Kathakali performance if I ever visited Kerala. Artist. I'm so glad that youngsters like you enjoy these performances. Second tourist. Sir, can you tell me about Kathakali? Artist. The word Kathakali is made from the word Katha, which means tale, and Kali, which means performance and art. Third tourist. Could you tell us a little more about the roots of this dance form? Artist. Of course, since you're keen to know. This dance form was evolved from older forms, such as Kuttiyattam, which was a classical Sanskrit dance drama form, and those showcasing the stories of Lord Krishna were known as Krishnattam. The dance movements of Kathakali reflect the early martial arts of Kerala. This dance form developed in the courts of Hindu kingdoms. In fact, in ancient times, the performers would dance from dusk to dawn. First tourist. Do the performances take place for such a long time even now? What themes are these performances based on? Artist. No, there's a time limit for each performance in the modern day as the audience wouldn't enjoy a long one. Mythological themes from Indian epics, such as the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Bhagavata Purana find a prime focus in these performances. However, some recitals are based on Shakespeare's plays as well. Second tourist. Kathakali on Shakespeare's plays. That sounds awesome. Third tourist. I went backstage when the performers were getting ready and they told me that it takes many hours to get ready for the performance. Is it true? Artist. Yes, it's true. The makeup is a time-consuming process and interesting at the same time. There are 24 gestures in Kathakali, and the makeup and costumes lend it a special place among classical dances. A performer's face is painted as if a mask is worn. It is painted according to the role he plays. All natural colors are made using rice paste and vegetable colors, and their mixture is applied to highlight the makeup. First tourist. I noticed that each character was painted in different colors. Does each color have significance? Artist. Yes. The noble characters are painted green with their lips bright red. A divine character is shown with a white beard. Evil characters bear the red makeup. Hunters and monsters are painted black, whereas women and monks are painted yellow. Second tourist. Wow! The colors depict personalities of each character. Sir, I was quite amazed to see the costume. It seemed very heavy. Artist. The unique outfit worn for the dance is what distinguishes it from the other classical dance forms. It is bulky, colorful and quite elaborate. Male characters usually wear dark full-sleeved jackets with long white skirts that are bulging. They also have long white cloth on their shoulders. The female characters wear red jackets with a white sari. Third tourist. Besides all this, the performers wore a lot of ornaments like necklaces, bracelets, bangles, and ghungroos around their ankles. Artist. I must admit that you're quite observant. There's also the magnificent headgear, which itself weighs a lot. Second tourist. They look beautiful. Artist. Well, I'm sure you've also noticed the way performers use their facial muscles. Kathakali is the only dance that uses eyebrows, eyeballs and lower eyelids along with the facial muscles to show expressions. The entire dance revolves around the Navarasas or the 9 emotions shown through these facial expressions. First tourist. I've heard that only males perform this dance, but I saw some women too in today's performance. Artist. Traditionally, this dance was only performed by the males, but nowadays women perform this as well. Many innovations have been made in this dance form according to the change in society. Now, let me tell you briefly about the music that's used during these performances. The songs are sung at a slow pace. There are 2 leading musicians and 2 more who play the drums, which are known as Chend and Maddalam. Now, I hope you've got a fair idea about this dance form. First tourist. Yes, thank you, sir. We know so much about this beautiful traditional dance form now. Second tourist. Sir, we are so grateful to you for making us familiar with this unique dance form that is the pride of Kerala, God's own country. Third tourist. Indeed. It is an experience that I will truly cherish forever.